Guys, Foremedia has paid me in 2024, this February, as I'm talking to you. This is so cool. Last week or last month, I saw their ads running everywhere on YouTube. Monetize, 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 monetize. I'm like, what kind of monetization platform is this? I just wanted to try it out and it was really awesome, seriously awesome. And in this video I am going to show you different tips I've implemented, different hacks I've implemented to receive my payment from Foremedia. I've did all these things and I've received my payment, and recently as I'm talking to you, Foremedia has paid me out. And I know you will be interested in this video. You want to know how much Foremedia pays per 1,000 impressions and or 1 million impressions. So you want to know that, right? One interesting tip I want to give you here, or one interesting fact about Foremedia, is they don't need any requirement. You don't have any requirement to qualify for Foremedia advertisement, to put ads on your website. You just need a current or active website or blog post to start earning money from Foremedia, and this is what I did. Actually, I monetized my blogger blog using Foremedia, and this was seriously interesting. Just 12 hours I got monetized automatically, and ads are showing on my website. Like if you look at this website here right now showing on the screen, you see that ads are showing on it, and if you scroll up, ads are showing here. Very interesting. So you too can do the same thing, monetize your website with Foremedia. If you have been rejected by AdSense periodically over the time, Foremedia is not like that. Foremedia is totally awesome for monetizing your website. I actually monetize my blogger blog using Foremedia, and I can tell you that Foremedia has paid me. I just monetized it on January, and February the payment is already here. Isn't that shocking? That's what you want to know. Another thing you want to know is how much does Foremedia pay out? Is it $100 threshold? Is it a $50 threshold? Or is it a $10 threshold? That's another thing you want to know. And also in this video, I'm going to be giving you tips on how you can earn more money on Foremedia. One thing I've discovered is that I monetize my blogger blog using Foremedia. I've applied for Google AdSense over 12 times and I got rejected, but once I applied for Foremedia, in just 12 hours I got monetized instantly, and ads were showing on my blogger blog. But one thing I've discovered is that it seems like Foremedia pays lesser on blogger blog than what it pays on website. I mean, my friends own some websites that are not blogger blog, websites hosted on WordPress, and they're earning more than me with Foremedia than what Foremedia pays me with blogger blog. I think something is not right here. Maybe blogger blog is not fully optimized to show Foremedia ads or something like that, but I don't think that might be the case. But if you own a WordPress website, Foremedia will pay you more than someone owning a blogger blog website. Now I want to show you the earnings on the screen right now, and drum roll please. These are the earnings. You see, that's the earnings. 200 impressions and not even up to 1 cent. Isn't that crazy? The thing is that Foremedia has not actually paid me. Now that's the truth. Foremedia has not paid me, not at all. But I'm already receiving payments from Foremedia right now, and from what you see on the screen here, 200 impressions, I'm getting about almost a cent from Foremedia. And let me say the truth, out of the 200 impressions here, 100 impressions were me. You see, that's crazy, right? But Foremedia actually pays. It actually pays. As I've told you in the beginning, my friends who own a WordPress website are earning higher than me because I own a blog. I don't know why, but if you own a WordPress website, be rest assured that you're going to get monetized quick and you're going to show ads on your website. As you can see, ads are showing on the website I own here, and they're generating impressions, and as they're generating impressions here, they're earning more money. So you too can do the same. If you have a blog that Google AdSense have been rejecting periodically over the time, don't waste your time, just blog into Foremedia. I will leave Foremedia's link directly in this video. You can go ahead and click it there and register for Foremedia instant, monetize your website and start making the money right now. So my encouragement to anybody owning a website right now is don't be discouraged. Always create quality content. Like me, I only have over 200 impressions on my websites, like 200 ad impressions, and it's almost a cent. What if I get 1,000 impressions? It will be higher. What if I get 1,000,000 impressions? It will be higher. So work on developing your website. If Google AdSense is failing you, turn to Foremedia instantly. Turn to Foremedia instantly and start making money. Don't be disheartened. You might even make more than me using Foremedia. So go to Foremedia and start using it and start earning money automatically. I would like to see your comments if you think Foremedia is okay, or you think any other ad platform is better than Foremedia. You'll be using it, so tell me in the comment section below and I'll be happy. So don't be discouraged. If you have been rejected by Google AdSense, use Foremedia. Is totally legit. You're going to get your payment with Payoneer. If you're in Nigeria, you don't have PayPal, Payoneer is totally free for Nigerians. You can get connected to Payoneer, automatically get your payments in Payoneer. Then from Payoneer, you get move it straight to your traditional bank account immediately. It's totally awesome. So go try this out. If you have a blog or a simple website, go monetize it now. Monetize the simple traffic you are getting from the website now. Don't let it go to waste. Maybe before the year runs out, you've already made something great. So that is it. Go try Foremedia out. I am enjoying Foremedia. You too should also enjoy Foremedia. But please, I want to make this announcement. The fact that Foremedia is so simple doesn't mean that you should take it for granted. Don't buy website traffic just to make money. You might get banned from Foremedia. I've not seen anybody being banned yet, but don't try it. You don't want to be the first person to be banned with Foremedia. Just use Foremedia as it is. As they're a good platform, use them. That's what I'm encouraging you. So continue creating and enjoying the traffic. I'd like to see you in the next video. Goodbye.